Hey, tech lovers, is your Android phone on the list? WhatsApp will stop working on over 20 smartphones from January 1st, 2025. Let's find out if yours is one of them. WhatsApp, the go-to messaging app, will soon drop support for some older Android devices. This is due to the app's growing capabilities, which means your phone might just be too old to keep up. If you're still holding on to devices like the Samsung Galaxy S3, HTC One X, or the LG G2 Mini, get ready. These phones, along with others, will lose WhatsApp access starting January 1st. Don't worry though, if your phone's on the list, it's time to back up your chats to Google Drive, just in case you need to restore them to a new phone. So, if you've got one of the old devices mentioned, it's time for an upgrade. But don't fret, newer Android phones will continue to run WhatsApp without a hitch. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and stay updated on all things tech. And remember, check that phone before January 1st hits.